Hi guys, if you want to start dropshipping on Etsy, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know about how you can start dropshipping on Etsy. Now the first thing you want to do guys to start dropshipping is to know what items you are going to sell. But keep in mind that Etsy doesn't sell like products from big companies. They only sell like handmade products, so make sure you only list handmade products, and I'm gonna be showing you how you can do that. Don't worry, I know that a lot of you guys don't know where you can find the items that you can list on Etsy. Now that's exactly why I made this video. I want to show you guys everything you need to know about how you can start Etsy dropshipping. Now the first thing you want to do guys, you want to find a supplier. Now you might say, okay, what is the best supplier? Now from my experience, I have been doing this for 3 years. The best supplier is AliExpress. Like a lot of people will say, okay, the shipping time is very long. It really doesn't matter. Trust me, it doesn't matter. The shipping time, most customers, most buyers on Etsy, they don't care about the shipping time. They just want to find like the cheapest price, and they want a quality product. At the end of the day, they don't really care about the shipping time. Like it's not that long. Like even if you ship from AliExpress, the shipping time is like 20 days, sometimes 10 days, sometimes 11 days. So it doesn't really matter that much. So what you need to do guys to start dropshipping, like if you don't know what is dropshipping is like you don't own the item, you just, whenever someone places an order on your Etsy account, then you take the address of the person and you go to AliExpress or any supplier you choose and you place that order and you send it directly to the customer. Instead of putting your address, you put this, the address of the buyer that has purchased an item from you on Etsy. Now what you need to do guys to start dropshipping on Etsy is you have to find the supplier. Like I said, don't go with other suppliers. Like the best supplier currently, I have like I said, it's my, like I have been doing this for 3 years, is AliExpress, like the best. You can find the cheapest items and you can just take a random product. A lot of people go to bend on Etsy because they just, for example, I want to sell this item, and then they take the photos, they download the photos on this item from AliExpress, they download they copy the description of the item, and then what they do guys, they copy the description and they download the photos, and then they list the item on Etsy. But that's not how it works. You will get your account banned in a few seconds if you do that. Now I'm going to show you guys the correct way on how you can do this. Okay, now like I said guys, Etsy doesn't sell products from big companies, stuff like that, only handmade products. So what you need to do guys, you want to list handmade products. Now that's exactly why I told you guys to start with AliExpress, to use AliExpress, is because you can find handmade products on AliExpress. For example, you can just search for a necklace. Okay, necklace for women. Okay, as you can see, necklace for women, and next to that you can see there, you can like add custom. Okay, custom name. Okay, so whenever someone places an order, for example, they bought a necklace from you, and then they tell you that you have to add a specific name, for example Muhammad or any name. You go to AliExpress, you purchase the item, and then you tell the seller the same thing the buyer told you on Etsy. So it's like a handmade product, and they can put their name there. So it's really something that you need to think about. Like Etsy, you can just sell any product. You have to find handmade, not only necklaces or something like that. You can find other products similar to this. Like you just have to find something that looks like handmade, so that you will start a business that will make you money every single year. Don't just like start a business and then you start dropshipping random products and then your account will get banned in a few months, and that's not what you want to do guys. You want to find a business that will make money while you sleep. Okay, now like I said guys, you can do this from your phone, your laptop, but you better use laptop if you want to make this easier. Now the first thing you want to do guys, you want to find an item. For example, jewelry is like this necklace, for example. Okay, this one is selling this necklace for $20. Now what you need to do guys, you want to go to AliExpress and search for a necklace for woman custom name, okay, or for man custom name, and then you find an item that looks like it's a handmade product. Okay, it doesn't have like a crazy pictures. You can just find something normal like this, for example. It's not something crazy. Now and then you start listing the same product. Now the first thing, guys, you need to do, you want to download this extension. It's called Ali Save. Okay, Ali, as you can see, Ali Save, AliExpress. Now you want to download this extension so that you can download pictures from AliExpress. Like, if you don't know, guys, AliExpress is the biggest website, the biggest Chinese website in the world. Okay. Now, after you download, guys, AliExpress, Ali Save Plus, as you can see, this is the name of extension, Ali Save Plus. Download AliExpress images. Now you're gonna click on Add to Chrome, okay, and then click Add Extension here, so that you can download. Like, whenever you open an item on AliExpress, it will give you a few different options, as you can see, where you can download the photos here. Now you can then download main photos. As you can see, they are downloading here. What we need to do, guys, next is to find a description. I wouldn't suggest copying the description from AliExpress, because I don't want you to get cut by Etsy that you are a dropshipper. You can just make your own description, or you can use ChatGPT. Like, you can just tell ChatGPT, give the ChatGPT a title. Just say, for example, hi. No, I'm sorry. It's like, okay, it's like I'm talking to a human. Like you just say, yeah. If you don't know, ChatGPT is like the biggest helper in the world. Like, it can help you with anything. Like, if you want a description, if you want titles, if you want tags, if you want everything, it can help you with. Search for ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT, I need a product description for, and then add here the title of the item, and it will give you the description, guys, that you can add. Or you can just copy the description from the Etsy seller. If you don't want to do that, you can just copy this description, change some things in this description, and then you can just paste it on your listing. Okay, now the first thing, like I said, you want to do, guys, is to find a product that looks like it's handmade. And then after that, don't copy the title of AliExpress seller. Copy the title of the Etsy seller, okay? Because this title is proven to work. So it got a lot of sales. And as you can see, 20 plus in plus carts. So it has 8,000 sales. So this title is proven to work. What you need to do, guys, you want to copy this exact title, and what you need to do, guys, you want to click sale in the top right of your Etsy account. Click sale or shop. If you have already opened the shop, you want to click sale, and then you start opening your shop. Now the first thing you want to choose is your country. For example, I'm going to choose United States, and then the dollar, the shop currency, you better choose dollars. Then click save and continue, and here you have to type here your shop name. Okay, this is not that important. You can just choose a random shop name and then click save and continue. And here you have to post the item, like the photos of the item that you have downloaded from AliExpress. But before you can just like upload these pictures to your Etsy account, you better like change something in the picture. You don't need to add something crazy to it. Just change like a little bit, increase the brightness on the picture or something like that. So that I don't know if this is like important, but I always do this, so that I don't know if it's just my mind tells me to do that. I just don't want you guys to get cut by Etsy that you are using AliExpress. Like that's it. That's why I tell you guys this. So just download the pictures and then like go to Canva or Photoshop or any, just search for edit picture in Google, and you will find a bunch of websites that can help you do that. Now after you edit these pictures, you want to click on add photo, and then you download you upload these pictures to your to your Etsy account. Now if you don't know, guys, how you can list an item on Etsy, there are a lot of videos. Just type in YouTube, search how you can list an item on Etsy, and you will find a lot of videos. Now this is very easy. You don't even need to watch any video. You can just type here anything that tells you, like it says here titles. You just have to add the title, the item title. Like I said, you have to change something for the title so that you will make it like unique. Now the next thing you want to do, guys, it says here who made it. Let's say like another company or a person and then what is it, a finished product or a supply or tool to make things, like what was when was it made. For example, I just made yeah, not yet, made to order, because whenever someone buys something from you, you go to AliExpress and then you tell them the name of the person who wants to like who puts something from your Etsy account. For example, if you are selling a necklace or anything like that. Now you just want to add the description. As you can see, it says here the description. You just want to like I said, ask chat GPT, or you go to Etsy account and then copy the description, and then like of course the product has to be the same as your product. Like if you are listing something else, not necklaces, you can just copy the description and then description of someone who sells the same item, okay, and then you paste the description here, and then price, and then quantity always go at 3. So after you sell like 2, you can then add another quantity. You can add it in your settings to price, $20 for example. Add variation. If the item has different variation, you can just add it here. Personalization, you can, like, these things are not that important, just add the shipping and stuff like that, and then click save as shipping profile. Yeah, you just want to add the shipping, like where you are sending this item. Keep in mind that AliExpress is a Chinese website, so you have to select the location of the item is China, and then you can ship the item to worldwide, United States, America, like anywhere in the world. Like AliExpress offers free shipping to all countries in the world, okay. That's the beauty of AliExpress. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to enter here the item size when packed, yeah, and then item weight here, and then click save and continue. Like the other steps, you will just enter here the information how you will get paid. As you can see, set up billing and your shop security. You just want to follow the steps and you will be able to open your shop. This is a new shop just for this video. So guys, that's exactly how you can start Etsy dropshipping without getting your account banned. Don't just follow the YouTubers on YouTube that say you have to list a random product, for example AirPods. You will never find anything like this on Etsy, because Etsy is special, like they only sell handmade products. Now if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about Etsy dropshipping, click the video in the screen. I made another video on how you can start this business, guys, easily in 2023. See you guys in the next video.